Hi there, my name is Taylor, and I will be walking you through the Corvum application today. We will start at step 1, the dashboard. This page provides visual call analytics for your active account. As you can see, it breaks your calls down into daily, weekly, and monthly periods. At the bottom is your monthly call graph. Like the weekly bar chart, it shows your call volume and call duration over time. Gray and purple are used to mark the criteria. Gray for total call duration, and purple for total number of calls. By hovering your mouse over each data point, you will receive a quantitative breakdown of each measurement. Next up, our visual voicemail feature. Much like an email inbox, our visual voicemail allows you to see and hear your voicemail messages. They are listed from newest to oldest, with the incoming contact's name, their number, the voicemail duration, and the date and time listed in the call history. By hitting the purple play button, you will trigger the voicemail. The days of having to re-listen to an entire voicemail are over. With the easy scrubbing feature, you can pause, fast forward, and rewind voice recordings at your convenience. In the right-hand taskbar, you have the convenient option of sending the voicemail to an internal contact, downloading the MP3 file, or deleting the file once it has been processed. Our third feature is our SMS feature, which allows you to send text from your desktop. This feature is very intuitive and operates quite similarly to traditional messaging apps. Simply type your message at the bottom and hit send. Your client's response will appear in gray on the left side of the messaging window. Our call history feature will show all previous calls, the inbound and outbound recipient, the time duration, and its timestamp. Upon clicking one of the circular logos, a communications panel will appear. Here, you're able to update notes, subject, matters, and billable rate. Once you're finished making your changes, be sure to hit the purple Save Changes button. Next, we have our contacts page, where you can make outbound calls as well as view your contact history. The call button is located on the far right-hand side of the screen in black. Upon selecting this button, your designated number will be dialed. Once you answer it, it will then boomerang and call your intended recipient, tethering these two call sessions together. You will notice a call window pop up in the bottom right corner. By selecting Notes, the communications log will reappear. And voila! You and your contact are now connected over Corvum. In this window, you can see the call duration, edit matters, outbound or inbound contact information, and billable rate in real time. Same as before, click the Save Changes button at the bottom right to ensure all of your entered information is logged. The last feature I would like to show you today is our dialer. As simple as the dialer on your cell phone, you just need to enter a 10-digit phone number and then hit the purple call button to be connected. It's as easy as that. Like all other interactions, this will be saved in our call history and editable for notes and billable rate. Need access to Corvum on the go? Download our iOS app for access to your recent calls, dialer, SMS messages, and contacts. You can also switch between light and dark mode to suit your preferences. I hope you enjoyed our demo today. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us through email or through our social media channels. See ya!